Okay, we're looking at the algebraic fractions mini test question 4. So we've got what looks like a really complicated one, but basically I've got 4 quadratics there. So I just need to take them one at a time and see if they factorise. To be honest, it almost doesn't matter whether I'm trying to add, subtract, multiply or divide. That would always be my first thought, is can I factorise? So that first, what pen am I on? That first numerator factorises to x plus 2 times x plus 2. Obviously that is x plus 2 all squared, but I'm going to write it out as the 2 separate factors like that because my next step is going to be to see if I can do any cancelling. The y squared minus 6y plus 9 is going to factorise to y minus 3 times y minus 3. I'm dividing. I've got the difference of 2 squares, so that factorises to x minus 2x plus 2. It is really important to recognise the difference of 2 squares. That comes up a lot. Y squared minus 9 factorises to y minus 3y plus 3, because that's also the difference of 2 squares. Okay, so then I'm going to think about, well, how do I divide fractions? Keep, flip, change, KFC, however you used to remember it. You basically keep the first fraction as it is. You change that to a multiplication and you flip the second fraction upside down. So hopefully that's been ingrained in your minds at your key stage 3 and key stage 4. So that looks a little bit like a Z, doesn't it? Let's make that look more like a 2. Okay, so now I'm just going to, so now all I would do is multiply numerators and denominators together, but a very important step is to cross cancel. It was a useful thing to do with numerical fractions. It becomes almost essential with algebraic fractions, because otherwise if you don't cancel at this stage, your final answer is going to be way harder to simplify. So obviously none of the individual fractions simplify, but the x plus 2 from that numerator can cross cancel with the x plus 2 from that denominator. That y minus 3 and that y minus 3 can cancel, and I don't think anything else does. So all I'm then left with in my numerator is the x plus 2 from the first fraction multiplied by the y plus 3 from the second fraction, and then the y minus 3 in the denominator of the first fraction, and the x minus 2, and nothing cancels. There's absolutely no point in expanding those brackets out because it's fully factorised. So if it was going to cancel, I would be able to cancel in its factorised form, which I can't. So that is job done.